The Classical Challenge is on. Piano Marvel's library includes an absolutely huge number of classical pieces of all skill levels, from your favorite well-known pieces to totally new experiences with obscure music. Every classical piece you perfect earns you another entry into a drawing for an Amazon gift card or a Piano Marvel Classical Challenge t-shirt. Now, for a little lesson on classical music. Technically, classical refers to a specific period in Western music, from about 1750 to 1830. However, we've come to use the term to encompass an entire genre of music written in a particular style. You know the one. Think Bach, Beethoven, Mozart, all those dead guys. But there's so much more to classical music. It includes 4 different eras: the Baroque era from about 1600 to 1750, the Classical era from about 1750 to 1830, the Romantic era from about 1830 to 1900, and the New Age era from about 1900 onward to the present time. It's a style of music that's had an enormous impact on everything from how we read and write music to the different popular genres of today. Enjoy the rich variety of the classical genre as you improve your reading while competing for prizes. Good luck, and as always, have fun.